Hey there, beautiful people. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my wash day routine for colored natural hair. So now that I have color in my hair, again, I have to be very strategic and lengthy when it comes to my wash day routine. So I have been using the African Pride Moisture's Miracle line, and you guys, let me just tell you guys how bomb this line is. This is not sponsored at all, but when it comes to color, you want to make sure that you maintain the moisture in your hair because your hair will get dried up, with additional chemicals in your hair. So I have to use stuff that pertains to moisture, that keeps my hair nice and silky. And this line has not disappointed me yet, you guys, especially this pre-poo, bruh. Oh my gosh, the pre-poo and the mask and the cream, hands down best thing ever. Before I could just do a wash, conditioning, and go about my way, but with color I have to pre-poo, shampoo, conditioner, deep condition, and make sure that I have a nice moisturizer at the end because I do not play when it comes to my hair and color. Okay, what I like to do now, I don't use hot water. I don't want my hair to look dry and brittle using hot water, so I like to use warm, mostly cool water to seal in moisture in my hair. So with this line, I make sure that I use that pre-poo at first. Miley Till actually raved about it on Instagram, and I was like, okay, maybe I need to add that to the line. And y'all, she was not lying when it came to that pre-poo. Oh my gosh, it's like the best thing ever. And if you don't have color in your hair, I suggest, honestly, no bull, that's all you need. Like, you don't even have to shampoo. That's all you need and you're good to go. Okay, so I put that on my hair and then I leave it on for 5 minutes, and then after that I rinse it off, and literally I can go as a wash and go if I put moisturizer in my hair afterwards. But let's talk about this length though, y'all. Like, my hair is almost to bra strap length, like this. So I'll do an update with you guys on my rice water and all that good stuff. But for now, I'm just happy with this growth. Don't let the shrinkage fool you guys. Don't let it fool you. So after I'm done with the pre-poo, I shampoo and condition, and then once I'm done with that, which is simple, you guys know how to shampoo and condition, then I go on to the heat mask, which I really love. If your hair's not soaking wet, I suggest you get it wet before applying this stuff because it's really thick. I mean, yes, it works, yes, it leaves moisture in your hair, but it's really thick. So I suggest you get your hair a little saturated just before applying, just so that way it doesn't stick to your hair or leave residue after you're done. So I would either leave out of the tub and go sit under my dryer, or if I have to shave and take care of myself, I'll stay in the shower. I'll turn on hot water to let the steam come about my hair, and then I'm good to go. So after that, I rinse my hair out, and then I get out of the tub and I go to the mirror. So while I'm in the mirror, I detangle my hair just to get any knots out. But what I love about this line is that it keeps my hair so free of tangles and all that good stuff. So as you can see while I'm combing it, I'm not really like yanking my hair because my hair is really soft. It's just I have thick hair, so I have to make sure any additional knots in my hair are poof gone. So what I like to do first is oil my scalp to make sure I don't have dandruff, because I told you guys in the past that I've experienced dandruff before. So I like to make sure that my scalp is free of that. So I just use some oil from the beauty supply store. I think within this line they have an oil, but I have yet to find it. So I've just been using oil from the beauty supply store. So I just go around my scalp, my edges, and my ends just to seal moisture in my hair. So after that, I separate my hair to prepare for the style that I'm going to do. And in this video, I'm going to do a flat twist out. So if you guys would like a tutorial on that, I'll be glad to do that for you guys. So what I love to use on my hair is this curling cream. I know it says curling cream, but I just love using it as a moisturizer because not only is the consistency really thick, but the moisture, you guys. I mean, it contains coconut oil and shea butter, which are hands down good for moisture. So I just love using this curling cream. I first apply it on my ends, and then I just spread it evenly upon my hair, and then I go about doing my twist. If I don't use oil on my hair, this cream does everything. Like, I just love it. So this cream and the Cream of Nature's Twist and Curl cream, those are the two creams that I use when it comes to styling. So there are other creams that I want to use, but for now these have been doing the thug dizzle, so I can't complain. So after the style is done and completed, just look at that shine, y'all. Like, oh buddy, that shine, honey. So my scalp is good, my hair is good, so we good over here, okay? I just love how my hair looks after that. So at night, I have to make sure that I gotta make sure that I secure the hair, girl. I gotta secure the hair. So I use 2 silk scarves. Well, I use 1 silk scarf, like, to lay down my edges and to lay down my hair. And then I'll put a silk bonnet on top just for extra protection and to, you know, keep my ends good, because with this style I don't like to cover it with the scarf because I like it to be kind of free. And then after that, I'm good to go. If you were like me, day one hair is just day one hair is a struggle, y'all. Oh my gosh. But my hair didn't really dry like I wanted to, but for the most part, as you can see, the flat twist came out pretty good. I just have to fluff it, use my pick to kind of stretch it out a little bit, and then I'm going to style it, get ready for the day. I've been protected style for a while, but when I'm not protected styling, this is what I do for my routine. So I hope this was helpful. So let me know if you have color and what you do to maintain your moisture, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace.